Learn to be an opportunity expert, and this stuff is going to work for you. So what we're going to do is
I had a great day today at the class. The next class is March 23rd and 24th. My vision board is about being a dog mom and how I'm going to start my own business, Sparkly Spark Place. So I hope y'all come out to our next class. Thank you.
Okay, vision board we did in our class today. Things that I want in my life. I had a great time doing it. Lots of fun, lots of laughter.
What a great day today, the class we had. It was wonderful. I made my vision board, hoping my husband sees this because he's the one who started to want to sail, and now I really want to. That's on my board. I really need to get organized, even though I am a Virgo, but I know that didn't help me one bit. So hope you guys can make it to the next class. It was a great day.